Welcome to Barndominium Homes and Plans. In today's feature, we'll take you inside several of the most stunning barndominium models ever designed by BuildMax. Now, let's begin our journey with one of the most admired barndominium designs in America, the BM 5550 from BuildMax. This masterpiece combines spacious living, modern comfort, and functional design into one breathtaking structure. It's more than a home. It's a lifestyle built for those who love open space, craftsmanship, and the charm of country living with a contemporary twist. As we approach the exterior, you'll notice the bold yet elegant presence of this barndominium. Its clean lines, metal siding, and large windows give it a distinctive modern farmhouse appeal. The seamless blend of rustic and refined elements makes this home truly stand out. Practical enough for work and hobbies, yet warm and welcoming for family living. This model offers an impressive 3,300 square feet of living space, perfectly paired with a 2,200 square foot shop. And yes, it even includes an RV-sized garage door, ready for large vehicles, workshop projects, or extra storage. Whether you're a craftsman, a traveler, or someone who loves extra space, this shophouse design adapts beautifully to every lifestyle. Step inside, and the first thing that captures your attention is the great room. Soaring 26-foot vaulted ceilings open up the entire space, flooding it with natural light. The sheer height and openness create an incredible sense of freedom, while exposed beams and architectural details bring warmth and character to the interior. A 12-foot island sits gracefully at the center, offering space for meal prep, casual dining, or conversation. The finishes are elegant yet practical, with premium countertops, modern fixtures, and a layout that makes cooking feel effortless. Hidden behind the cabinetry is a secret pantry, providing both convenience and a clean, clutter-free look. It's thoughtful details like this that make the BM 5550 not just beautiful, but incredibly livable. This barndominium includes 4 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, each designed with comfort in mind. The master suite is a retreat of its own, featuring generous space, soft natural lighting, and a luxurious bathroom that combines modern style with timeless comfort. The additional bedrooms offer flexibility, whether used as guest rooms, offices, or cozy personal spaces for family members. Throughout the home, attention to detail is everywhere. From the custom woodwork to the large windows that frame scenic views, every corner feels intentional and inviting. The open floor plan connects living, dining, and kitchen areas seamlessly, creating a perfect flow for modern family life. As we step back outside, the beauty of the shop area truly comes into focus. With 2,200 square feet of workspace, there's room for creativity, productivity, or simply storing your biggest toys. The high ceilings and wide doors make it practical for almost any purpose, whether it's working on vehicles, running a home business, or enjoying a personal hobby. The BM 5550 isn't just another barndominium plan. It's a statement of freedom, space, and thoughtful design. It captures what so many dream of, living where work, family, and leisure coexist in harmony under one beautifully crafted roof. This is more than a house. It's a modern sanctuary, spacious, practical, and breathtakingly beautiful. A true reflection of the American dream reimagined in barndominium form. Now, let's move on to the next incredible barndominium design, one that continues to redefine what modern country living can look like. BuildMax does it again, redefining what it means to live in style and comfort with the BM 3945 barndominium plan. This home is a masterpiece of balance, where rustic beauty meets refined modern living. It's not just a house, it's a space that feels alive with light, warmth, and open design. As we begin the tour, the first thing that catches your eye is the exterior charm. Clean, symmetrical lines complemented by subtle wood tones that give this home its timeless appeal. It's a perfect example of BuildMax's vision. Thoughtful architecture that's both durable and inviting, capable of standing strong for generations while still feeling like home from day one. Stepping through the entrance, the interior immediately opens up into a vaulted great room that's both grand and welcoming. The ceilings rise beautifully overhead, giving the space a sense of freedom and airiness. Natural light filters through wide windows, highlighting every texture and surface. The combination of warm woods and crisp white decor creates a perfect balance. Elegant, yet relaxed. The kind of setting that makes every guest feel at ease. At the heart of this home lies a large eat-in kitchen, designed for family connection and everyday living. Its open layout flows naturally into the great room, making it easy to cook, dine, and entertain all in one shared space. The counters are broad and inviting, with textures that reflect both sophistication and functionality. You can imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread or the laughter of family gatherings filling this room. A space that was truly built for moments that matter. And then, tucked just beyond the kitchen, you'll find one of the largest pantries you've ever seen. It's more than just storage. It's a hidden gem that keeps the heart of the home running smoothly. Whether you're stocking up for the season or organizing everyday essentials, this pantry brings convenience and order without sacrificing design harmony. The BM 3945 offers 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 beautifully finished bathrooms. Each bedroom feels private and serene, with soft natural tones that make relaxation effortless. The master suite is especially inviting, a place where the day's noise fades away, replaced by peace and comfort. The bathrooms echo that same sense of calm, blending modern fixtures with subtle, soothing design elements. Throughout this home, you'll notice lounging areas designed with purpose. From cozy corners perfect for reading or reflection, to open spaces where the family can come together, every square foot is used with intention. It's a layout that encourages both connection and solitude, offering room to gather, but also room to breathe. The choice of woods and whites decor throughout creates an atmosphere that feels both pure and organic. Every element, from the light fixtures to the floor finishes, works together to make the space feel cohesive, natural, and effortlessly elegant. It's modern country living at its finest, simple, functional, and endlessly beautiful. The BM 3945 Barndominium plan is proof that design doesn't have to be complicated to be extraordinary. It's a reminder that when craftsmanship and creativity meet, the result can be something truly special. A home that's built to be lived in, loved, and remembered. Up next, we'll step inside another remarkable barndominium design, one that takes open concept living and turns it into a breathtaking work of art. Stay tuned. Welcome to this gorgeous 2-story barndominium, a home that proves how thoughtful design can make every square foot feel extraordinary. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by a breathtaking 26-foot vaulted ceiling that rises above the great room. An architectural statement that instantly captures attention and fills the home with an open, airy feeling. The spacious great room stands at the heart of this design. Large windows allow natural light to pour in from every direction, enhancing the height and warmth of the interior. The rustic beams and clean lines come together to create a perfect balance of modern country charm. From cozy evenings by the fireplace to family gatherings and celebrations, this room is designed to bring people together under a sense of openness and connection. A graceful staircase leads to a private loft bedroom and full bath, offering a serene retreat away from the main living area. It's an ideal space for guests, older children, or even a quiet reading nook. A place that feels tucked away, yet still part of the home's vibrant energy. Back on the main floor, the master suite is nothing short of exceptional. The master bedroom opens into a luxurious custom bathroom, featuring a freestanding soaking tub, double vanities, and a beautifully designed walk-in shower. The suite is completed by an impressive 8 by 11-foot master closet, offering ample space for storage while maintaining an elegant, uncluttered feel. It's a perfect sanctuary, calm, private, and built for relaxation after a long day. The kitchen continues the theme of comfort and sophistication. A spacious eat-in layout invites family connection and casual dining, while the walk-in pantry provides all the storage you could need. Just off the kitchen, a door opens onto a grilling porch, making it easy to step outside for meals, entertaining, or enjoying the evening air. It's a design that effortlessly merges indoor and outdoor living, giving this barndominium a true sense of lifestyle balance. Near the kitchen, a large mudroom connects practicality with design, offering a functional entryway for daily life. From there, you'll find a full glass breezeway, a stunning architectural feature that leads directly to the 3-car garage. This transparent passageway fills with daylight, creating a natural connection between the main home and the additional living spaces. The garage itself is more than just storage. It's an extension of the home. It includes a bonus room, an additional bathroom, and even a bunkhouse area totaling 964 square feet, perfect for guests, older children, or a flexible workspace. This thoughtful addition makes the design ideal for a growing family or anyone looking for a slightly larger barndominium that still stays comfortably under 3,000 square feet. Every feature of this home has been crafted to maximize comfort, efficiency, and beauty. It's proof that a barndominium doesn't need to be massive to feel spacious. It just needs the right balance of design and detail. From its soaring ceilings to its family-focused layout, this home is a celebration of craftsmanship, versatility, and the joy of living well. Next, we'll explore another exceptional barndominium design, one that reimagines space and style in a way that's both innovative and timeless. Stay tuned as the tour continues. As we move forward in our journey through some of the most inspiring barndominium designs, we turn our attention to a home that proves bigger isn't always better. This next design showcases how thoughtful planning and beautiful craftsmanship can create a spacious, welcoming home, even within a smaller footprint. Welcome to this small but stunning barndominium, a design that truly captures the saying, "Less is more." With just 2,300 square feet of living space, this home delivers a remarkable sense of openness and comfort, a layout so well planned that it surprises everyone who steps inside. It's a perfect example of efficient design meeting elegant simplicity. The exterior immediately draws attention with its clean lines and inviting form. While modest in size, the home radiates character and strength, built to impress without overwhelming the landscape. It's the kind of barndominium that feels right at home in both rural and suburban settings. Cozy yet confident, with a design that blends beauty and practicality. Stepping through the front door, you're greeted by a vaulted great room with soaring 20-foot ceilings. This open space gives the home its signature wow factor, a grand sense of volume that feels far beyond its square footage. The tall windows and natural lighting enhance that feeling of expansion, bringing warmth and brightness to every corner. For homeowners who prefer a more traditional aesthetic, this plan can also be built with flat ceilings, offering a customizable look that fits individual taste and style. The exterior walls, set at 12 feet high, add to the home's bold proportions, while flexible options allow the design to be adjusted to 10-foot exterior and 9-foot interior walls for those seeking a cozier atmosphere. This adaptability makes the layout perfect for a wide range of lifestyles, from growing families to downsizing couples who still want open, airy living spaces. At the heart of the home lies a centrally located kitchen, thoughtfully positioned to overlook both the dining area and great room. This open arrangement encourages connection, letting conversations flow easily between rooms. Whether cooking dinner, entertaining guests, or sharing breakfast with family, the kitchen remains the true centerpiece of the home, a place of warmth, laughter, and everyday living. Just beyond the great room, large doors open to an entertaining. Next, we'll visit another remarkable barndominium plan, one that continues to showcase the creativity and craftsmanship redefining modern country living. Introducing the BM 3151 GB Barndominium, one of America's favorite and most beloved floor plans. This stunning home is designed with every detail in mind, a perfect blend of style, practicality, and warmth that makes it ideal for families who love space, togetherness, and outdoor living. From the outside, the wraparound porches immediately make an impression. They stretch gracefully around the home, creating inviting spaces for relaxing mornings, evening conversations, and gatherings with family and friends. These porches aren't just for decoration. They extend the living area outdoors, encouraging a lifestyle that connects people with nature and the open air. Whether you're watching the sunset or hosting a summer cookout, this home's outdoor spaces are designed to make every moment memorable. Stepping through the front doors, the heart of the home opens before you. A 2-story great room with vaulted ceilings that reach upward, filling the space with light and openness. The architecture draws your eyes upward while maintaining a warm, comfortable atmosphere below. Large windows allow sunlight to pour in, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and the natural world beyond. It's an impressive yet welcoming space, the kind of room that instantly feels like home. Adjacent to the great room is a large eat-in kitchen, designed for family living and easy entertaining. The open layout allows conversations to flow freely from the kitchen to the great room and dining area, keeping everyone connected no matter the occasion. A spacious pantry adds functionality, offering plenty of room for storage and organization while maintaining the clean, open look of the main kitchen. It's the perfect balance between beauty and practicality, where design meets everyday living. Connected by a breezeway, the 3-car garage extends the functionality of this barndominium even further. It offers generous space for vehicles, tools, or hobbies, while an additional in-law suite or private office adds incredible flexibility. Accessible directly from the garage, this suite provides privacy and independence, ideal for guests, aging parents, or those who work from home. It's one of those thoughtful design features that elevate this home beyond the ordinary. Every detail of the BM 3151G has been created with real living in mind. Open spaces for gatherings, cozy corners for relaxation, and a design that adapts effortlessly to changing family needs. It's more than just a floor plan. It's a home built to grow with you, one memory at a time. As you step back and take in the entire view, the expansive porches, the tall windows, the flow between each space, it's easy to see why this plan is a favorite across the country. It embodies everything people love about barndominium living: openness, functionality, and a feeling of freedom that's hard to find anywhere else. Which of these barndominium homes was your favorite? Would you choose a spacious shop house, a cozy family plan, or this wraparound porch dream home? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know which design inspired you the most. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Barndominium Homes and Plans, and turn on notifications so you never miss another inspiring home design. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming, designing, and discovering the beauty of barndominium living.